If you are building right now, this message is for you, because the system you think you are competing in is not a market. It is a compliance machine designed to eliminate you. This is the Sharp method for founders who refuse to be regulated out of existence. Let's begin. Governments do not learn, they memorize. That is why collapse looks like policy. When governments fail, it is not because they did not write enough policy. It is because they kept running the same one, even after it stopped working. We treat laws like commandments instead of code. We assume public systems cannot be wrong, so we double down when they are. Collapse does not look like chaos. It looks like memorization. You think collapse is fire and riots. But in reality, it looks like adding a new permit instead of simplifying a system, writing new rules without deleting the broken ones, announcing reforms that change nothing measurable, hiring more staff to manage the paperwork of failure. This is not governance. This is bureaucratic necrosis. Governments do not A/B test, but they should. Imagine a healthcare system that tested two ways of billing, or a tax authority that ran two versions of a policy in parallel and chose the one with better compliance and growth, or a housing agency that launched three zoning models and kept the one that reduced homelessness and increased livability. This is not utopian. It is normal in tech. We do it every day. It is called A/B testing. In government, it is called illegal or unprecedented, but only because the platform is not built for it. The Sharp method was built for it. It is not just a framework. It treats policies like deployable software, testable, reversible, outcome tracked, try a permit model, measure processing speed and equity, keep it or revert, modify a tax rule, observe revenue and public sentiment, adjust as needed, deploy a healthcare intervention, track recovery time, cost, satisfaction, decide by data. It is not about being right. It is about being adaptive. Governments do not fail because they are dumb. They fail because they are ossified, frozen in past assumptions, locked in brittle frameworks. Collapse is what happens when adaptation is no longer politically possible. The Sharp method fixes that. It creates room to test, to fail, to learn, just like science, just like code, just like any system that wants to survive. If you are building right now, you do not need permission. You need a path that works. Follow the Sharp method and build beyond the reach of the compliance cartels.